What is management? Management is the coordination and administration of tasks to achieve a goal. Such administration activities include setting the organization's strategy and coordinating the efforts of staff to accomplish this objective through the application of available resources. Management can also refer to the seniority structure of staff member within an organization. To be an effective manager, you'll need to develop a set of skills including planning, communication, organization, and leadership. You will also need extensive knowledge of the company goals and how to direct employees, sales, and other operations to accomplish them. 5 basics of operation of a manager. 1. In general, there are 5 basic functions of a manager. 1. Setting objective, organizing, motivating and the team, devising system of measurement, developing people. Setting objective. Setting and achieving objective is the primary way a manager accomplishes and maintains success. They must also be able to convey them to their staff or employees in a compelling manner. For instance, a restaurant manager could state they want to improve service time and remind employees that faster service increases revenue and tips. Organizing. Manager, the type of work, divide into achievable tasks, effectively delegate it to staff. Organization consists of a series of relationships among individual staff as well as departments or entities inside the organization. It is the manager's responsibility to ensure that these individuals and entities work together harmony, which include motivating staff member and department to stay on task. A good manager is skilled at building interpersonal relationship among their team member and can troubleshoot when member confused or encounter challenge. Organization also requires a manager to establish relationship of authority among their team members. Maximizing organizational arrangement can help businesses enhance the company's efficiency in the market, reduce the cost of business, and improve productivity. Motivating the team. In addition to the task of organizing and delegation, motivation includes having the skill to handle different types of personalities in a team. An effective manager must know how to form and lead successful team and know how to galvanize team members around a cause. Devising system of measurement. Managers need to set target or key performance indicator that the team aims for, then generate ways to measure whether their team is on track to meet those goals. Because it can be challenging to come up with measurable ways of understanding performance, manager must often be active and thoughtful. However, like the other function of management, is critical to improving business performance. Developing people. In addition to leading their team toward a goal and measure their progress along the way. Good manager invest their staff development. Manager can, for example, work with their team to help them set goals to move in their career. Managers must be leadership skill to use these 5 operations successfully. They are responsible for coaching their team member by helping them recognize their strengths and weaknesses and improve their performance. Different managers may have different style of leadership. Regardless of their style, manager should develop their leadership skill to be an effective supervisor. Social media, instant news, and powerful voice as technology evolves, education grows, and employees speak up. Businesses have an obligation to address concerns over cultural differences and diversity in the workplace. Employees, customers, partners, and press will hold brands to higher standards. It's critical that diversity and inclusive culture is built into a company mold from the get-go, and it's not treated as an added-on benefit. Thank you.
Competence result in an ability to understand, communicate with, and effectively interact with people across cultures, and work with varying cultural beliefs and schedules. While there are myriad cultural variations, here are some essential to the workplace. Number one, communication. Communication providing information accurately and promptly is critical to effective work and team performance. Number two, team building. Some cultures like the United States are individualistic and people want to go it alone. Number three is time. Cultural differ in how they view time. For example, they differ in the balance between work and family life, and the workplace mix between work and social behavior. Other differences include the perception of overtime or even the exact meaning of a deadline. Different perception of time can cause a great misunderstanding and mishap in the workplace, especially with scheduling and deadlines. Number four, schedules. Work can be impacted by cultural and religious events. The business world generally runs on the Western secular year, beginning with January 1 and ending with December 21. This variation affect the workplace as people require time off to observe their holidays.